Hi you guys, what's up? My name's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just sort of vlogging. I'm trying a different type of style of video. And you're just gonna tag along with me throughout my day. Next I'm going to go do my hair. Well, just go make it neater and put on a little bit of makeup. Time to go let the doggies in. Come on, Petunia. Rocky, Rupert. Come on, Petunia. You coming? Come on. Want a treat? Let's go. All right. She's being stubborn. All right, you guys, so I actually wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about what it's like having anxiety and working. So a few weeks ago, I got a job, as you all know from the video. I will put the link down in the description if you want. Anyhow, sorry. Just light shining in the garage. Whenever I work somewhere, it's really hard for me and probably some other people to communicate how they're feeling. I've struggled with this my whole life, and I will hold things in, and then I will just start bawling because I'm not sure how to cope with it. Let me know if you guys also struggle with something similar. And when you have depression and anxiety, sometimes it can get in the way of you working or going out to find a job. I know after I was sexually harassed, I didn't want to go back to work for a while, which honestly made it really hard for my boyfriend. Yeah. And it shouldn't just be a one-person deal that should be doing all the work. When you're in a relationship, especially a long-term relationship, it is a 50-50% deal. And if you're wondering what I have in this cup, it's literally Dr. Pepper and milk. I know you guys are gonna think it's gross, but I like it. That's all that matters. Missed my mouth. So I'm on my way to the store. Getting ready to get in the car.
Am I right or am I right?
Here's the store kitty at the pet store. And basically I'm here to get flea and tick medicine because we think my cat Emrys actually might have a tick. Yeah. And we're also picking my mom up some kitty litter. We just came out of Kroger, or Pet Supplies Plus, my bad. And now we're gonna head into Kroger's after we put stuff in the car. We ended up going with the Frontline because the Vantage didn't come with the tick stuff to kill off the ticks. So, yeah. So let me know what your guys' favorite type of meat or meal is. Stop looking at me like that. We're getting steaks for dinner. As you've seen him put steak into the basket.
You know what the trick to making a really good London broil is? It's beating the heck out of it with a mallet, or I actually use a framing hammer personally, and you just literally beat the tough out of it and it just melts.
Great tip from Nick. So we just finished up at Kroger, and now we're heading home and going to make dinner. And we're back home. We basically just got Dr. Pepper. Stop, please. Yes, I did. Got some Dr. Pepper and asparagus, cat litter, and flea meds. So I'm going to end today's video right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section below what you cook for meals at night and which one would be your favorite. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!